In this video, I'm going to be going over how to complete the first step of our Great Airplane project, the research step, okay? So you're going to open this attachment from Schoology, and all you're going to need to do is this attached research slides. So if you remember from our notes video, you remember that the first step of the scientific process is coming up with a question. You guys are lucky enough that I provided the question for you for this project. So the question we're talking about is which paper airplane flies the furthest and why? Okay, so that step is done. So the next step of the process is to do our research. Okay, this one's going to be a little easy because I provided it for you. So you're just going to go through, you're going to click this research slides, and it'll take you right to the presentation that you're going to use. Okay, we're going to come back to that. Okay, so all you're going to need to do is fill out this table. So you'll write the design name and you'll put a picture and you'll explain why you think it's good. Okay, so I'm going to take you through that process. So in this research slides, I provided you with a bunch of different level paper airplane designs. Okay, so we have some easy ones to make, we have some medium ones to make, and we also have some harder designs to make. Okay, you can choose any three that you would like. They can be all the same level, you can mix it up, anything you want, and you can just go through it and then you click here for the instructions on how to make it. Okay, so to start this research process, you're just going to slide through these, pick one that might look interesting. So say that I want to make this. Okay, I want to make this stable. Okay, so I'm going to come back, I'm going to put this stable in my design name. It wants a picture of the airplane. Well, look at that, there's a picture right here. You can just copy it and paste it right into your table. Okay, and then all I want you to do is write a quick thing explaining why you think this is a good design. Okay, so for this one, I might say that I think this design will fly the furthest because the wings are wide and the body is long. Okay, that might be my reasoning. Yours can be totally different. It doesn't matter. I just want you to give me some sort of explanation. It doesn't have to be super long or super in-depth, just something. Okay, so after that, after you fill out all three of these boxes, you finish the assignment, so you're gonna come back to Schoology. It's not here in the teacher view, but you'll come back to Schoology and you'll have the option to submit your assignment, and you'll just submit this document with your research in it, and then you'll have finished the first step of the Great Airplane project.